I want to post a comment in the chat. So then when I press a button, it will put a link. I can put a clickable link in the comment section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this one here. So I want to be able to put the link to my newsletter. I'm going to put a button on my Stream Deck. Okay, it's a 15 key one. And on the Stream Deck, there is an eCam plugin, post comment. I think that one. So here, post comment, I'm going to just look for an empty button for a sec. So Stream Deck essentially are just shortcut buttons. So what I'm going to do is I want to post a comment in the chat right now. So then when I press a button, it will put a link, because me as the owner of this YouTube channel, I can put a clickable link in the comment section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this one here, hotkey, and drag it to an empty key. Boop. I'm going to just title this as my Marianne on YouTube newsletter form. So then I just know what it's about. Join my email list. We'll just put that for the moment. Okay, join my email list. And then I'm going to grab the URL, Control C, go back to here, join my email list, and then just a link. Okay, Control V. All right, can you see that? Here, that little speech icon that came with eCam plugin. And then also here, if you go and click the T and drop down, it can show whatever the title is. So at the moment, mine is Moi. That's Marianne on YouTube newsletter. That's just my internal shortcut. So you can have see how it's got more newsletter? You can have that toggled on or off. If you have like a webinar, you've got an affiliate link, whatever else, and then you want to be able to quickly pop that into the comments in the live chat, you can, because links are clickable, you as the owner of the channel. So now let's test it out. Here we go. All right, are you watching? Are you watching? Keep an eye on the live chat. I'm going to press it, and I press. Ta-da! Isn't that fantastic? Join my email list. Go to marianneonyoutube.com/creator notes. And then there's a form there. The form, you will just fill in your name, your email, click yes, you'd like to get emails from Creator Notes. Then that is how you can use your Stream Deck button using eCam's plugin. And because I'm streaming using the eCam app, I am able to press a button that will post a comment for me in the live chat. So then that way you are reducing friction, instead of saying to someone, you know, go on this website, go to www blah blah, or go check the deal. It's there because they're watching you, whether on their phone, or they can go click that, sign up, and then they're on my email list.